What's up everyone, and welcome to another day in the life of the Acker family. We are out here at the beautiful Acker Ranch. Got Joey coming with the trailer. We gotta get this here boat loaded up in the trailer because we're gonna go take out a big tree fell down the creek. It's caused a bunch of brush and stuff to pile up, diverted the creek, washing out the road, so we gotta chop it up and get it out of the way. Tara's coming later on. Joey, Katie, Dad are here, and we're gonna do some work, enjoy the beautiful weather. Let's hope you're staying positive, hope you're smiling. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell next to it, put the post notifications on. So, come with us. We're gonna get this boat loaded up in the trailer, head to the creek, and I'll bring you along for the ride. It should be fun, maybe funny. We'll see, but come. I'm open. I got it. All right, we got the boat loading. Dog's in the back. That's Maggie. That's my college dog, Maggie. Anyways, got the boat loaded. We are headed to the creek now. So what we're gonna have to do, and you'll see when we get there, but we're gonna have to put the boat in the water to get to some of the brush that's piled up behind this tree, clear the brush, cut the tree up. I haven't seen it yet, but apparently it's pretty big, Dad was saying. And then drag it out with the tractor. We'll see what happens. All right, so it's a little different than I thought. We've got this tree. Maggie, get back. Maggie, back. Maggie. Well, I guess she's going in for a dive. Come on. Oh, gummit dog. Anyways, so this is the tree. I guess it fell over there from the roots, laid across. You can see all the brush that's piled up. It's damming everything up, and it's actually starting to kind of erode, or it has eroded some of this out. I guess we got to get in the water in the boat, clear all that stuff out somehow, chainsaw, cut, done. All right, what's the plan?
Put the boat in the water.
Put the boat in the water.
Get the skis out.
Get the skis out, that's what I'm talking about.
The plastic paddles and the skis. I'm gonna slalom today.
Look at this plug we're working with. Now if that's not a plug, can't see it. There we go. That's a plug. But we'll put this one in. Done.
Keep that one in case the
Yeah.
real one breaks.
Yeah, I gotta keep that one in case the one breaks.
By the way, this is not a flat bottom. It's not very stable. I have one, yeah.
Toss it here.
Not very, yeah. It won't matter which side of the blade you use, they're both about the same.
Hit on the side. Aim on the right.
Lift it up and set it on the edge of the boat. Yeah.
ice back here.
So I think I'm gonna jump on that tree over there and just cut it from the top down.
That's an idea. Jump on the tree, ride it like a bronc. Yeah, that tree's as hard as a rock. Tree's hard as a rock. It's I guess it's not that hard, but it's just an awkward position to be cutting at, and it's been a little bit more difficult than expected. And yeah, so we're taking a break, cooling the chainsaw off, taking a break, getting a water break, then we're back in the boat and finish up. Hope this works.
Oh god, awesome. Couldn't have worked out any better, except for you almost going in.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
Let's hope this works.
Maggie.
Oh, here we go, it's moving. Look how much stuff it's bringing with it. I think we're gonna have to reposition this strap, or position it on the other side, and to position on the other side of these trees, to then pull it down to get to it, to be able to chop it up into pieces, or just leave it there. Not really sure. I don't know how it's gonna work from here, but it's stopping it down there, so we've got to go around those trees somehow.
I don't know, with it on this side, maybe when it gets up against the leverage, it'll push it along the bank.
Maybe. Let's
Right.
try it.
Come on, Maggie. Whoops.
We're gonna call that a wrap. Wow. That was successful, unsuccessful. So we got the tree chopped. Then we tried to drag it down the creek, but because the angle the tractor was pulling got stuck in the bank. So got to order some more straps, get us further down the creek, more of a straight line, and then we'll be back to finish up. So we got some more fun things going on. Do a little target practice. Got a new rifle a while back and needs to be sighted in. So let's go eat some lunch and we'll head back to the house. Hi, babe. Good to see you. Glad you can make it.
Me too.
Is this awkward?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is this awkward, Dan? Mm-mm. No. You got something in your nose right there. All right, so the tree was unsuccessful. Well, kind of successful, but this isn't working out very well. I guess I gotta hold it up. So this is my Mosin Nagant. It's a Russian sniper rifle that I've redone. New stock, new scope, cut the barrel, new muzzle brake. And so this is the new long distance rifle.
Matt, your underwear's showing.
Oh, is it? So we've got a target 100 yards out. I haven't sighted in, so that's what we're doing now. So let's see if we can hit it. So lucky me, I wasn't recording that. So we're gonna do that again, but the gun jammed. It was the first time I'd shot it since I rebuilt it. But when I did shoot it, prior to rebuilding it, the thing kicked like a mule. So muzzle brake was one of the things that I added, and the new stock helps a lot. So pretty high. We'll make some adjustments and we'll send her downrange. It says up that way. I want to go that way. So I'll just go one full rotation, which is 2 feet.
I think you took out the T-post.
Nice. Well, I hit the target. Now we're gonna go check it out and move it and fix it. So I'm a little high and right, and I blew up the T-post, which is why the board moved. Check it out. So I was aiming here. Actually, looks like I hit here. So that high, and then this is from this ricocheting in the bullet tearing it up. Look at the backside. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so what do we do here? All right, let me rig this up real quick. All right, good as new. I didn't bring a tape measure with me. I do know that I'm from here to here, up and right. So that's helpful. So make the proper adjustments and we'll flip and send it. Good old Big Red. Safety off, sending. Alright, I was aiming here. This was last shot. I made the adjustments down and over, and this is where I end up hitting. I wonder if I flinched, pulled it. So our height is good. We're just still like 5 inches off now, maybe 6. Guess we gotta try again. It's a Marlin, wood stock, stainless. I don't think we've got enough zombie apocalypse. So let's see, we got, I need help here. We got Mosin Nagant, 762x54R, that's a rimmed. We've got the A10.
AR-10.
AR-10.
DPMS Reaper Rapid Engagement Precision Rifle. Suppressed.
Did you get all that? Okay. And then we got the Marlin 3030 with the Echo Weed Whacker, the Walmart Special Hoe, you know, garden hoe. That's dirty mines. And then my Savage A17.
We could get a few more out.
Yeah.
Another AR pistol.
Yeah.
410, single shot, pellet gun.
A little bit of earthing. Okay, we're done sighting in rifles, playing with guns. We're headed out to fill all the feeders. Headed out to fill all the feeders. Keep them full year round. Keeps animals coming. Baby's healthy. Mama's fed. Some, you know, that wildlife management stuff. All right. Oh! Summertime in Texas. Whoops. Into the bag. P1, P2, 7 p.m. Battery's dying. Let's head back to the house. Oh, let's see. All the others are doing the other feeders. We got this one. There's 4 more. They're doing the other 2, meeting them at the last one. And then we'll head back to the cabin and get the battery changed. All right, see ya. I think that's pretty much it for the day. We're gonna eat us some ribs. Ribs have been smoking on the grill for 3 hours now. Close to that.
Pork roast has been on there a little longer.
Pork roast been on there a little bit longer. Beautiful weather, fun, adventurous. Did a little bit of work on the creek. Some hunting, played around, filled some feeders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. Turn the post notifications on. And we will see you next time. Take it easy, please. 6 years old.
That thing's been down the Yellowstone River. It almost sank in the Little Bighorn River. We had that much to go before it sank.
Let's hope it doesn't do that